Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a journal swap unboxing to show you, and I did a journal swap with Faye Touve in Texas, and so this is it. I'm very excited. I've never done a surprise unboxing before, so okay, we're almost there. Okay. So, make sure I'm in frame. Okay. And so a little note that I will read off camera. And oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I took a minute to read the letter that she sent along with it, and I'm glad I did before continuing filming. The photos are family pictures. So let's take a look inside. Look at this sari silk. Okay, I'll definitely be using that in some journals. Oh my goodness. Faye. This is gorgeous. Look at the fabric and the buttons. Oh my goodness. Okay, small technical difficulty. My camera battery died. I think I was still on the cover. So we'll do a quick, I'll try to edit it when I get to it, but if not, you may hear the same thing twice. But look at the beautiful vintage buttons, these velvet leaves, this fabric. Oh my goodness, Faye, it's so beautiful. So our only thing was we were going to do traveler's notebooks with a Victorian theme. And the pretty sari silk closure. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at this fabric too. So pretty. Pocket there. And we've got a little glassine bag with some goodies. Whoops. Oh yes, in the letter, Graphics Fairy was mentioned. This is from the Graphics Fairy, a little tea envelope. And then, look at that. I believe that's the Graphics Fairy as well. I love vintage and Victorian advertising. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at those. So pretty. Oh, and another Graphics Fairy, a pocket. And I'm just going to put this aside, put it back in after. And here's so cool, a little booklet. So pretty, and I love the Victorian fashions too. Oh, so pretty. Oh, Faye, some of my favorite things, and labels. This is so cute. Oh, a little bit of sari silk there clipped on, and some vintage lace. She said in the letter, lots of vintage laces. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Oh. Okay, this is her grandfather, William Ward, on the tag. So cool. And so the cabinet cards are her relatives. And her grandparents with their friends. So look at the swan. Oh, that is so pretty. I love that. I think that is actually a vintage. It's got some gloss there to it. Oh, that's so pretty. I thought it was a printable at first, but I don't think it is. Look at, oh, what a great idea. A little glassine envelope as a pocket. So cute. Okay. Okay, we won't fight with that. We'll put that in after. Oh, and then I think these are Ephemera's Garden. That looks like from her. And here's another of the cabinet cards. And some Sorry Silk Pink. Another little envelope. Oh, I love this little paper clip, like a raindrop or a teardrop. That is so cute. Something else I have to put on my list. Oh, here's another one on my craft wish list. Oh, look at this photo. That's awesome. Love that. And again, another little paper clip, and so cool. Love it. And the deckled edges, all the little special details. And another, I believe that's, oh, nice on the back. Another from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. Faye, this is just so beautiful. I love the color coordination of everything. Oh, here is the, I don't know if I mentioned it, I hope it's on what I filmed already, but from Silverware Charm. I love that. And that Sorry Silk is beautiful. And oh, very cool. Oh my goodness, that's lovely. A long pocket. Oh, more labels. Oh my goodness, I love Victorian fashion plates. Oh, and she prints on the back of everything. I love that. And a receipt, all distressed. Music paper. Another Victorian lady. I love that. And a couple more advertisements. Fun to decorate the pages, definitely. Oh, a vintage book page. Oh, this whole layout. Love it. And Massachusetts, that's where I live. So pretty. Look at that. That's really cool. Oh my goodness, Faye, you have outdone yourself. This is gorgeous. Look at this. So delicate. I love that. Oh, another. Oh, look at that tag with some vintage lace. So pretty. Ledger. Oh, gorgeous. Another one of those tags. Those are just fabulous. And another fashion plate. A little clip. So many beautiful little details. Look at this lace ruffle. This is so hard to do, to focus when you're like excited and you don't know what's coming next, because I need to slow down and notice everything. Vintage lace on that. So pretty. Some vintage lined paper. And then, oh, okay, let's do this right. So we have a long pocket here. Okay, and then, let's see. Flips out, a little pocket there, more labels, and oh my gosh, a little collaging, and look at this collaged bookmark type tag. Flips there, and then a tuck. Oh my goodness, that's wonderful. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And a little pocket on the back. Love that tag. The page printables are just beautiful too. Oh, love her. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. That lace is gorgeous. And some more Sorry Silk. Oh, and another one of the paper clips, and another of the tags. Oh my goodness, the detail. So nice. And another little tea envelope with another clip. Oh, I clipped 2 pages together. I'm going to link Faye's YouTube channel down below and her Etsy shop if you're unfamiliar with her work. You can check out the journals she has. And, oh, and another long pocket. These labels are great. I'm going to reread the little letter. I don't know if she told me where those are from. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these ferns. Oh. Wow, the detail is just such care in everything. Oh, I know you put a lot of love into it, Faye. Oh my goodness, this lace is beautiful, and a little embroidered flower there. And a flip out here, beautiful grungy paper. Oh my goodness, look at this. I love that. I've never really done that on my journal cards. It's just so simple but so perfect. Just a little snippet of lace. And look at these two, so pretty. I do love everything we've printed onto the backs as well. Deckled edge on the music paper. Oh, look at this, die cut. So pretty. Oh, I think this is from the Graphics Fairy. This looks familiar. Love it. Oh, on tea dyed paper or coffee dyed paper. All right. Now the sari silk ruffle. Guys, I can't wait. I'm going to have to, once I'm done filming, I have to go back through and look at this again a couple times. More advertisements. And they're on a nice thin paper. I like that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look at this. So pretty. And again, coordinated with the sari silk and the paper clip with the sari silk. So pretty. And another tuck here. And another lovely lady. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this too. The purses. The little evening bags. Okay. And the back. Oh, and another cabinet card. Oh, look at these guys. Love it. Oh my gosh, Faye, this is so amazing. I cannot wait to go back through it again. Thank you so much. You have outdone yourself. This is perfect. It's everything that I love. All my favorite things. Thank you so much. And thank you everybody for watching. Go check out Faye. The links are down below. Bye.